Hello everyone. In this video I want to tell about my program, which was created half month ago, and after spent some time I create some modernization of this program. First of all, I want to tell about for what this program was created. Imagine in a factory where some products manufacture. For finish this manufacturing, the operator should make three stickers. First, it's metal plate. In this plate, wrote the name, serial number, date manufacturing, and other thing. Its metal plate names shield should be on the product. The second sticker, it's sticker guarantee. These stickers should contain the same information. It's number of this product, manufacturing date, and serial number. And third, it's a packing sticker. This sticker should install it on the box of transportation box. It's like wooden base. I want to show you. First, it's shield, metal plate. It's PDF file. After print, it's create the metal shield, and after that, this shield stick on the product. Second, it's a sticker of guarantee. The client which bought this product can see the sticker inside the book of this product. You can see the special number of this product, serial number, and manufacturing date, and packing stick. In this sticker you can see the manufacturing date, serial number, some text about this product, and special names, special code. This program can create these stickers, and main of this problem it's change the picture where when the product in this program changed. For example, I set the different product, and you can see the picture is different. It's need to understand what inside the package, and for example, people who don't understand this code, special manufacturing code, cannot understand what inside. They should to cut the box open, and sometimes it's not real. So this program can make these stickers with different picture. First modernization, it's to rotate sticker when the image small. I should to show what does it mean. Imagine the large system. It's a reverse osmosis system, the large industrial system, and the small picture, and it looks ugly. So I create some function of this program, and this program rotate sticker when understand that it's industrial product. Yes, I want to find some product and compare to better understanding. Save the packing sticker. And what does it mean? The first, it's rotated sticker. You can see the large picture, and the bottom, it's the standard sticker what created before. Looks pretty. And the sticker is the same. It's the same sticker. It's important that it's not a problem for manufacturing to buy the other size of sticker. Okay, let's go to the second modernization. I want to delete some files. Okay, imagine when the client want to create a product with the special name of item, and at the same time in a Ecosoft company should the different name, and it's complicated when it's when a lot of people inside this process. Okay, I want to tell about robust 3000 DTW. Save the shield. Now let's start sticker of parent. Look, in the program I set the item number robust 3000 DTW. Anyway, in this sticker wrote the different name. The same serial number, date, but the different name. It's important. The second, it's shield with special characteristic of this product. Look at its different design of this shield with the standard products of Ecosoft. For comparing, look, it's a really different design, and the program understand it's a different item, and then create the different shield with a different name. You can see the robust 3000 DTW. Anyway, the program wrote model which need to the client. Okay, and the third, it's packing sticker. You can see the first, it's a standard sticker. The second, it's a special sticker for a client. You can see the previous part number. It's part number used in Ecosoft. You can see here the special name that want the company which buy this item, and you can see the description of this product. The box weight, the box dimension in inches, and this what I want to tell about second modernization. The third modernization, it's interesting because it looks so it looks different. It's not the same like before. What does it mean? Before program should make a new PDF file and wrote the whole names, wrote the serials, wrote the description, and special name of these items. In this situation, I should to take the design and wrote the manufacturing date and serial number. You can see that these templates looks different, and this is interesting moment because I don't need to create from blank sheet. I used the template. Okay, let's start to create these items. Use the first robust 1000. Okay, and use the second robust 1000 STD. Set the serial number and create packing sticker. Okay, and you can see it's a different template. For example, the second it's robust 1000 STT. Here it's the serial number. In template, its part is blank. So the program use this template to create sticker, and this save my time to make a new sticker start with a blank sheet. That's all what I want to tell about this program. If you have some question, tell it under the video. See you later. Bye.